Point I would like to talk about our current committee members who are extremely proactive and supportive. Without their efforts, we would not have been able to be where we are today. A special thanks to Professor P. Sunter, Professor Sarika Mehra, Professor P. Bhaumik, Professor Rochish Thaukar, Dr. Abhay Deshpande, Professor Atul Shrivastava, Professor S.V. Kulkarni, Professor Kameshwari, and Mr. Keshav Kale for their valuable support. I would now request Professor Sarika Mehra, representing the current committee, to share a few words with us.
A very good evening to all of you. I wasn't expecting this grand an affair. I thought there would be a few parents. So let me first begin by thanking the founding members, Professor Sheshu Shamla, Professor Sharat Chandran, because as all working parents and from all the community, you know that Shishu Vihar is central to our productivity, right? So there is no doubt this is one of the most important components to have on campus. So a big thank you to you to actually initiate something like this on the campus. And also thank the teachers, supervisor, for putting up this really grand show. Thanks a lot for all your efforts. Okay. A few thoughts as part of the committee. So I think we've come a long way. I hope you think that we've come a long way. Okay. But there are a few challenges that I think we still want to work towards, because I think that's what really makes you move forward, right? Okay. We shouldn't really be satisfied with where we are. So one of the biggest challenges, of course, is space, right? As you know, we are actually proud of the fact that we have a waiting list, okay? Which essentially means that there are people who really want to come to Shishu Vihar, which, it's a reflection of the fact that there is a need of something like this, and hopefully, the place is doing something good that people actually want to send their kids to be here. So space, of course, is one of the major things, so that we reach a point where there is really no waiting list. People don't have to wait to send their kids. Of course, it would be nice someday to see Shishu Vihar become more of a cultural hub, right, where actually parents who don't even send their kids necessarily can actually send kids for more activities, right? So that's another thing that I think everyone wants to work towards, that we can actually have more cultural activities that can be actually provided. And of course, one of the vision, which actually is I think more of a vision of some of the committee members, is to next time have kids younger than 1.5 years, right? So maybe someday we will be able to actually accommodate 6-month-olds, right? So as soon as the maternity leave ends, you can actually send your kids to Shishu Vihar. So these are some of the things that I'm sure the committee, Shishu Vihar people will be working on, but this is where we as community of IIT, all of you, can actually contribute, right? So we encourage all of you to come forward and participate, right, in whatever way you can help with Shishu Vihar. And I personally feel the best part of Shishu Vihar is the fact that it's essentially run as a non-profit, right? Whatever fees we take, which is very, very minimal, right, essentially can be put back into the system, right? So we're not making profit like any outside daycare. So there's a lot more that you can do with the amount of resources that we have and provide better facilities for the kids. The play area, I think, is awesome, right? Today I asked my kid, so what's the best part of Shishu Vihar? And the answer, of course, I was expecting was 4:30 to 5:30 when we go out to play, right? So I'm sure it's the same for the younger lots. So thanks again for IT administration to actually, helping us move to this place. I'm sure all parents agree the kids are much happier here than they were in the previous setup. Thanks again for all your help.
Thank you, Sarika, for your kind words. I am making a small change in the program because if I don't, then one very important person will go unrecognized. And that is Sutapa Kanjilal. I think she deserves a loud applause from all of you. She has tirelessly worked for Shishu Vihar. And I think one of her strengths are the way she understands children and how to initiate them into our system. It is so good to know her sound judgment of each child that walks into the door of Shishu Vihar. She knows how to handle that child. She gives that child time. She's extremely kind and patient, and she's a great asset. I think without her, the warmth that you receive from Shishu Vihar would be completely absent. So, all to Sutapa for having spent many hours talking to parents, talking to her staff, and trying to get this place better with each day. I see her wanting to improve every morning. She's like, what can we do more? And that, it's only that helps us all want to do better. Otherwise, we could all be just complacent and just sit and be happy with the way things are, but that's not how it is in Shishu Vihar. So I give her full credit for that.
I see Professor Chandran. I request Professor Chandran to come and share a few words. He's one of our founding committee members.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. This is really sort of incredible. It's pretty incredible for me, and it's just unbelievable to see Shishu Vihar at this level. And of course, Seshu has said all the things that needs to be said about how this thing has happened. And every day when I walk past here, I just imagine myself being 20 years younger and looking at the kids, and I'm so delighted. IIT is probably the best engineering institution in the country. But I think Shishu Vihar is a very, very important component to that. So, as Sarika just mentioned. And not only is Shishu Vihar reached where it is, but I'm very delighted to see that it wants to improve. She has already some visions about 6 months, kids coming here, and maybe we can also do some workshops for improving people. I should choose the word improve, but benefiting people outside also. Maybe that's one more thing that we can look forward to in the future. And Professor Kulkarni is here, so maybe we can also get one more bungalow. So I request this to happen. I think we can handle we have high rises coming up. One more bungalow will make a big difference. And I request people to put a little bit of pressure in that direction. Yes, exactly. So once again, Manisha and Rekha, some people, and Vijay Vidhi also. And also, thank you so much for being the backbone over the whole thing. I think there's one more person, Shanta Mane, whom I missed, but yes. But I think they are some of the people whom I remember, not just people who contributed a lot. And of course, I have personally benefited my kids who came in into Shishu Vihar. And as Professor Seshu mentioned, Rashmi Mishra was one of the main reasons this happened. So I want to thank her, in absentia, I guess. Of course, all the other people here, Raina, everybody. Raina remembers all the ladies club meetings that she had, and many other people who made this possible. So once again, thank you very much, and a big round of applause to the people who deserve. Thank you.
I do see Professor Ramadevi here, so we would like to felicitate her. She's been one of our very strong committee members in the early years. Share a few words.
Yes, definitely. I think, but for Shishu Vihar, I don't think my career would have progressed. So it's very important, and all the staff, Sutapa, but for their homely help, taking care of my child. I think I do leave her around 8:15 and pick her up at 6:30. There are days I have an 8:30 class. If the lock is there, I call them, please open it at 8:15. I have an 8:30 class. I still remember those days. I think it's the backbone for us. I think we need to find all ways of getting, funds, and also getting this place much more. There shouldn't be any wait list for any children, and we need all children to have all facilities so that we can be hassle-free. Parents can work full-fledged and get very good research done during our career here. So my thanks to Sudhapa and all the staff. I know many of them. I think I don't want to call everybody. I know each and everybody. There are a lot of new people whom I don't know for the last 7-8 years. But I think it was a wonderful experience, and I do see it's continuing with this bungalow, one more bungalow. I think many more should be added, and lot of children, lot of activities should be.
I would like to add from very humble beginnings of 5 staff members and maybe 10 to 15 children to start with in 2001. We take care of 120 children plus, and there are 62 children on the wait list as of now, as of 15th of February 2016.
You heard that.
I cannot end the session without thanking one very special committee member, and that is P. Sundar, Professor P. Sundar, who has worked tirelessly on various aspects, policies, pay scales, fee structures, and you name it and everything. Sundar, without him, he would be nowhere at this point of time. He's really helped us and guided us and taken us forward. Thank you, Professor Sundar. So to conclude, I would like to thank all ex-committee members for their valuable guidance and support. I would also like to thank the Director, IIT Bombay, Deputy Directors, Deans and Senior Faculty members of IITB, other founder members of Shishu Vihar who were unable to attend this gathering but sent us their congratulatory messages and conveyed kind words of encouragement and appreciation via mail. Thanks to all parents for reposing their faith in us and sending their child to Shishu Vihar. As far as I am concerned, it's been a challenging but a wonderful and enriching journey being supervisor of Shishu Vihar for nearly 12 years. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all children of Shishu Vihar, past and present, who have taught me every day to learn a little more about kindness, dedication, perseverance, compassion, and equality in diversity. Thank you.